Hello everyone, this is Dave from Beauty and the Beard's Magical Adventures, and I know I've been talking about this for a while now, about I'm getting a rehauled mask from Pete Ford, who is in London, and as you've seen in previous videos, and if you haven't, if you're new here, and you're just watching this for the first time, I'll put a link below on the previous videos where I did the unmasking, and my wife and I have only been vlogging for a couple years now, so a couple of masks I got before we started vlogging, so I didn't do any type of unboxing, but the previous one I did was the Halloween 2, and then I showed you guys some of the Killer Clowns from Outer Space masks that I got, but the Halloween ones are done by Pete Ford FX, who is in the England area, and I'll put information, and I'll probably talk about it a little bit after I show you guys the mask, but I got so excited. I got the box yesterday, and it is the Halloween Kills mask for the new Halloween movie that just came out in October of 2021 or September. I forgot the exact date, but I got it. I actually talked to Pete back in September, and before it was you can purchase the mask through Tots, through Trick or Treat Studios, and then send in the mask to him and then pay him, and then he rehauls it and resends it back. But because of the shipping issues, a lot of people don't know how to ship correctly, out of the country. It just made sense for him to actually buy the mask through Trick or Treat Studios, and then you just pay him for everything. So I will put all the information in the description, but I'm really excited to show this. I know, as you see, I have a pendant, a Halloween 1978, the movie pendant. This is sterling silver. It's actually awesome. It's really nice. It's heavy. It's a big piece. Big tension bail on there, so you can fit a decent sized chain on there. Then I got this Halloween hat on. So as you see, I'm pretty obsessed with Micheal Myers and Halloween. But who isn't? And then I'm not sure in the future with the new movie coming out, Halloween Ends, if there's some type of like if the mask is going to change at all, because I am hearing rumors about the plot of the last movie that comes out this year in 2022 in October. I am hearing that it's supposed to skip a few years, so who knows how the mask is going to look. But if it does look different than the one I got here from Halloween Kills, I'm definitely going to probably get that rehaul too. He's also doing the Halloween flashback mask from Halloween Kills as well, so I'm waiting to see a couple of them, how he does with that one. I'll probably get that one too. And then, so I'm going to show you guys this, talk about it a little bit, and then I'll come back to you a little later. I'm going to have to hang this up on the wall next to my other mask, and I'll show you the end result hanging up on the wall. Okay? So here it is. Here comes the drum roll, all this good stuff. Here's the mask I've been waiting for since September. And before I open it, I know I'm leading up to this, and you guys are probably like, come on already, I want to see the mask already. I'm tired of listening to you. But just to give you guys some background on this, when I ordered in September, it took a while. This is January, what is it, January 31st right now. So I just got this yesterday, or today, I'm sorry, I got it today. I don't know, I said yesterday, but I actually got it today. So it took a while to get it, and that's because of all the COVID issues with shipping, and the holidays and everything. Pete was really busy. He does other masks besides Halloween too. So I'll put the link in there, and I'll explain all that stuff in the description. So if you have any questions or anything, please reach out. But here we go. So I opened it up already a little bit. And of course, there it is. Oops. The box is flying everywhere. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this, guys. Alright, so there it is. The Halloween Kills mask. Now, this is a Tots mask, and you'll see, I'll put a couple pictures of the actual mask, what it looks like when you buy it from Tots. I don't have the mask with me, but I'll show you pictures from the website, or pictures how it looks. But this is the redone mask here, so if you look at that, the side of the face here, this looks absolutely amazing. I mean, he does an absolute fantastic job. It is almost, I mean, I couldn't tell a difference if I seen this or in the movie itself. I mean, you get the blood dripping down here. It's amazing. I love Totally love this. And I've seen him do, I mean, he puts pictures out there before he sends it. So I've seen it, so I knew it was going to be awesome, but I thought it'd be cool to show everyone here the unmasking and everything. So let me fix this a little bit to get a little glare from that light back there. Put that right there. And what I'll do here is I'll turn the camera, show you guys kind of like a full rotation of the mask. And I'll show you guys when I put it up in the wall, but look at how amazing that is. And there's the back. So put this back up really quick here. Alright. Okay, there it is again. Halloween Kills unmasking. The Halloween mask from Halloween Kills, Micheal Myers. Hope you guys enjoyed this. There's a couple other videos I have from the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. I know a different type of genre of movies and everything, but it's still horror related. But there's the mask. Let me get a little closer here for you guys. Just the detail's amazing. It feels amazing. I mean, it looks absolutely, totally different from the mask that's on top, which I'll show you guys a few pictures while I'm talking, when I do the editing on the video. Okay, so I hope you guys like this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this up downstairs in my main room, and I'll show you guys how it looks like once I put it up on the wall. And then that'll be it, okay? So here we go. All right, guys. All right, everyone, so I'm back. I was finally able to get the mask up there with the hanging arm that I got from Tots 2. And there it is. So these are all rehauled from Pete Ford. There's Halloween 2. There's 1978 Halloween original. There's 2018. And there's Halloween Kills. This is how it looks like from back here. I'll zoom in a little bit. And you see Micheal Myers, or Jason, and then the Killer Clowns, which I already did the unboxing. See that? So there it is right there. Go all the way across. It looks so cool. It's a lot darker than the other one. You can see how light that one is, but obviously, you know, he was in the fire and all that. And on this side, you can see the blood coming down from the face. Amazing work. All right, everyone. So there's the Halloween unmasking. Halloween Kills. If you have any questions or anything on any of this, please reach out to me. And we'll see you guys in the next video.